So Microsoft keep pushing Copilot every corner of Windows 11, like in Taskbar or even in Task Manager as well, and also in Start menu. So today I'm showing you how you guys can completely kill Windows Copilot permanently. And we are doing this in 2 quick steps. First, we need to remove this from our Taskbar as well. So first unpin from this Taskbar and close this app. But still, this will still be running on your background. So somehow, so go to setting and hit on settings, apps, then go to installed apps and search here Copilot. So we can see that Copilot is already here. So click on this 3-dot icon and uninstall. Uninstalling this one as well. Uninstall, uninstalling. Now you guys might think the icon is gone, but the background system hooks are still active. So to kill it from the root, we need to move to level 2, all right, which is permanent registry lock. Now insert, type run, okay, and click that. This is how the run looks like, and type here reg edit, just like that. Press an OK, click in yes. Now click on H key, current user. So expand this folder, go to software. From here, go to policy and Microsoft, and then go to Windows. And in this folder, you need to create a subfolder here. So to do that, you need to right click the Windows folder and new and key, and you need to type exactly this. This is case sensitive. So type here Windows capital C Copilot. All right, so just do that. You guys are good to go. Hit an enter. Make sure there is no spaces so you can see clearly this is Windows Copilot right now that we have created. Now you guys will need to create the word value here. So right click here on empty space, and you need to create a D word value, which is on top here, so you can see. So now you need to name this as turn off Windows Copilot. All right, so I will leave down on my description down below so that you guys can just simply copy that. And now you need to change the value from this value to 0 to 1. And now you guys will need to change the value from 0 to 1. Double click and type your 1 and press an OK. And now you guys simply need to restart your computer. So since I'm here on my virtual box, you can see that now the Copilot is officially dead at the system policy level. So if you see my taskbar as well, nothing's running on Copilot here. Copilot, see that? And nothing is here now. It is officially dead. If this quick guide saved you from AI bloat, hit that like button, subscribe for more fast Windows fixes, and drop a comment down below. Let me know if you prefer Windows clean or with some AI shit features. See you guys in the next one. Peace.